Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this horror quality pillow set that I received for reviewing purposes. Let me open it up and let's see the proper pillows, how they are. They've come compressed in this box, so let's see. Okay, they've come really well compressed, as you can see. They are airtight, air compact, and you get the instructions in here on how to flap them. Okay, different options that you can do. Okay, I'm gonna place them this, and these are the two pillows. Okay, I'll be opening them. Without cutting them on. Okay, here it is, as you can see, and we can see that it starts standing. Okay, I'm gonna open the second one and let it fluff. So the instruction says that we can hit them, fold them, squeeze them, just being using them like this, hitting them, folding them till they fluff. As you can see, you can see the difference. Okay, let's fluff this one. They seem quite comfortable, and in here we get the instructions on how to wash them. You can machine wash them. You don't need to use bleach, non iron it, and you can tumble dry them in the drying machine on low heat, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, that way you can get them clean anytime that you need. Okay, they are a little bit more fluff right now, and I'm gonna change the pillows goes under them. Okay, and there it is. Okay, as you can see, they are quite fluff. Okay, take this that, and this, and well, they do seem really comfortable. Let's test them out. They're quite soft. There tend to be some pillows that are a little bit too stiff, but these ones are fluffy. I think that they're really nice. Quite comfortable, I must say. And I think that it's great that you can take them and to the washing machine to clean them. They are quite comfortable, and you get different options on how to fluff them. And I think that they can be even more fluffy if you let them, well, um, wait a couple of hours till they um, finish expanding, or when you take them out of the dryer. I think that that's a nice option on how to keep them fluff. And overall, they're really nice. I think that they are great. They have the perfect size. They ain't that much big, but they have a perfect size. Okay, without being clunky or anything, which I think that it's great. And overall, because they're really nice, they feel quite comfortable. I think they are great, and I will really recommend them. See you guys.